We are truly elated to win this award, and we're looking forward to continuing our journey as a company and making a change in our industry for the better. Fundamentally, ethics to me is a matter of morals. When we're also fortunate enough to win this award this year, also celebrating our 10-year anniversary. So when we decided to found the company, we knew that it was time for a paradigm shift in how business was conducted. So in regards to basically our fundamentals in regards to ethics are establishing trust, staying true to our words, delivering what we promise or said, and fundamentally at the end of the day is to make the customer happy and to set expectations above and beyond that were initially set. Truthfully, words can't describe it. It's a true reward and a reflection of all of the years of hard work that Jennifer and I have put into building Highlander waterproofing and making it the company today. It's not just representative of our hard work, it's also representative of all of our employees and their commitment to our customers. Well, it clearly states that our employees are committed to our cause, which is taking care of our customers, and also, at all costs. In our industry, we're not an average 9-to-5 type of business. We are, a lot of times on call or offer emergency type services. And our employees, there has been an element of, sacrifice at times in order to ensure that not only Highlander runs smoothly, but most importantly, taking care of our customers and our clients.